Welcome back to computer aided drafting class. Let's try to draw this model which is shown in this drawing. It is a 3D model. So let's try to draw this one in Auto Cad. So what are the distances you have? You have 40, you have 40. These are and the height is 30. These are the maximum dimensions. Now let's just go open Auto Cad. Let's open ACAD ISO 3D. Now it has opened. Let's just go and type limits, enter. Let's take 50. Now initially let it be 0, 0. This is the first one, and then the second one is 50, 50. So now I have established the size. Z, enter, E, enter your type. So now you are already properly scaled it. Now what I will do, I will just go here and see. Drawing from the top view is very nice, okay, because you will be having one straight line of 40, another straight line of 40, then on the back side you have 20, and then you have to draw this inclined line, and then these dimensions are anyway known, 20 and 20, easy. So let's go back and let's go to top view over here. So let's select top view. I selected the top view. From realistic I will change to 2D wireframe so that it is black and easy to see. Go and fix ortho here. Now what I will do, I will draw here. See, I will draw here line. From here I will draw 20, then come down 20, 20, then go back and close it. Okay, so now again I will draw one more line from here, another 20, then come down, it is how much, 40, and then go and just close to this line. Okay, enter. So now your drawing is completely done now. Okay, now let's just go to any of the views. Let's say no, southwest is not needed. Let me try southeast. Yeah, southeast will create a drawing which is same as what is there in this PDF file. Okay, that is this file, you can see here, this file. Okay, what is the height? Height is 30. I'll just go back to Auto Cad and then I will do press pull. This one I will go up 30, then I will click on this one, I will go up 30. Okay, escape. Now let me just go here, make hidden frames here. Now make Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extends. Oh sorry, this I don't need 30, I need how much? Let me just go back and check. I need how much? I need a height of 10, sorry, okay, I need a height of 10. So what I will do is I will just delete this. So now I need a height of 10, I will just go make press pull. Even this one also, what is the height of this one? I forgot, let me just done. Okay, this height is 30, is it not? Press pull. This one I have to go up 30, this one I have to go up 10. Finish, escape. Now I will go to union, join this one and this one together, enter. So it's a single piece now. Now what I will do is I will move this one out. See, I have got this footprint, I will just delete it. Again, Z, enter, E, enter. So everything is there with me now. So what I have to do now, I have to just draw the dimensions, correct? So let us try to draw the dimensions. Which one should I select? I will select this surface. I will just go over here, select this face, which one, click here, enter. Already XY is there. So now I will just go to annotate. I will write the value from here to here, see, 20, and then again one more annotate from here to here, this is also 20. And is there any other thing which I need to show? That's it. And then what about this size? For this one, let us select this surface. How do I go? I will go home, then I will just go and select face. What I will do, I will select this face, enter. Now what I will do, annotate size from where, from this point to this point 30, then again from this point to this point 20, right? Now let me come to this side, home. I will go here, select this face, enter. Now I will just go to annotate, take the dimension from here to here 40, then from here to here, sorry, let me just move it out, annotate, okay, it's here, from here to here, then move this one, let's move it because it's catching on the just get rid of this, annotate. Okay, let me put it here. Then what else is there now? Almost all dimensions are done, only one dimension is needed, that is this side. Let me just go and change the face. Let me select this face, enter. Okay, now let me make the dimension. What is the dimension? Annotate. When this point and this point, it is, see here it is 40. Okay, so now I can just go back and make southeast isometric view. See, the view is there. Oh sorry, this dimension went in the bottom. Anyway, you can pull it out and then you can just draw it out on the back side. So all the dimensions are done. So now what I can do, I can just go to the layout view. In the layout view, I can just make the complete drawing. Let me just go here, delete everything. Now go over here, select the angle of projection, third angle of projection, and then base from model space, just bring over here, just put it here, enter. Now go up, enter, and not enter, click, come here, click, and then go here, click, and then enter. Now everything is there. Now these sizes are looking a bit small. Just go and click on this one. See here, sometimes you will get this one. How you will get this properties dialog box? Do you see at the bottom? Here you see like a calculator. If you remove this one, quick properties will go away. Okay, if you click on this one, since this is highlighted, you will get the properties. You can go and change the scale here. You can go and change the scale as 2:1 if you want. You can make it. Okay, or I will just close this one. You can also click here. See here, this button. If you click, you can see here. See, 2:1 is there. Okay, just make it big. It has become big now. This looks to be reasonably okay. Fine. Now I will click on this one. This blue border I will hold and just drag it down a little bit to make space, because you are here crossing the border line. So I just want to bring it inside. Yes. Now see there, everything is ready. Now what I have to do, I will go to annotate. Now I will just change the modify modify what I have got lines. I have got by block. By block is their line type. Okay, I will change the color from this one to black or blue, whatever I want. I will keep it. Remember, if you don't have a color printer, then please better keep it black. I will go to primary unit 0.00. I will remove because I don't have any decimals. Okay, done. Close. Just go put the dimensions. This is 40. Between this point and this point it is 40. This is how much? Between this point and this point it is 20, and this is also 20. Now you can see the height. Now see, I will show you continuous dimension here. Click from here to here, just come and put it here. Now just go to continuous. The moment you go to continuous, it will catch the last point. See there? Escape. Now from here to here, if you want I can put it inside, no problem. Then come here, (40) 30, and then here you can say it is 20. Then from here to here it is 10. From here to here it is 20. Okay, all the dimensions are there continuously. What is this dotted line? This dotted line is nothing but the edge here. This is the back edge. What do you see here? This edge. This edge is the one from this side. You don't see it. That's why it has come in dotted line. Now make the border, write your name, ID number, everything. That finishes your drawing. Thank you very much for watching this video.